All right, how's everyone doing? I am Rich Celenza. Thanks for checking out my channel. So I just want to do a quick video today on, not taking working out so seriously. Now, if you want to be a professional athlete, or you're going for something collegiate, or you play in a team or a sport that is high level intensity, that's entirely different. What I'm talking about is the average Joe out there just looking to get in shape, maybe lose a few pounds, maybe gain a little muscle. And I think what's happening now more than ever is information overload. And I'm probably part of the problem because I'm on YouTube and I'm giving you a lot of information if you're watching my video that may or may not work for you. A lot of times I think with all of us putting out all this content, we're only putting out what we know, I think, obviously, and what we've gone through throughout our life. And I've been watching a ton of other people too. Let me just give you a heads up on YouTube. And I am learning so many different things, so many different workouts. It's unbelievable how many things I've learned, what I've done wrong, what I've done right. And here's the deal. I'm gonna tell you, if you do wanna get in shape, or you wanna just, like I said, lose some weight, gain some muscle, whatever the case may be, enjoy yourself, find what you love. Maybe you're somebody who kept going to do different things and you keep quitting. Or maybe, back to maybe you losing weight. Again, I've discussed this in my other videos. It could be just something like portion control. You need to back off. The times you're eating, obviously some of the foods you're eating, just by making some small changes is gonna help go a long way. Same with just building some muscle as well. You don't have to start doing these bodybuilding routines. Someone like myself, you don't have to always go to the gym 4 to 6 times a week. A lot of people look at working out and they resent it. They despise it. They get bored with it. They feel like it's a waste of time. And a lot of people, though, on the other side are saying, well, I'm getting older. I don't feel that good. When I wake up in the morning, I feel like this. I can't sleep, or whatever you're going through. So you may have to start doing something physical. Again, go out, find something you love and something you enjoy. Don't do something you resent. Don't do something other people are doing that you know that you most likely are not going to stick with. If you don't like going to the gym, I discuss it all the time, forget the gym. Maybe try things that you've never done. I don't care if it's fencing. I know I'm throwing that out like it's crazy. I don't care if you're even playing bocce ball, hypothetically. I don't care if you go hiking, water skiing, do crew, just walk. There are hundreds of different things out there you can do because I think a lot of people just get caught up in the mainstream thing. Lift weights, yoga, CrossFit, Pilates, swim, cycle, elliptical, whatever. All things that you may not like to do or you're not going to stick with. If you want, go surfing. If you can't surf, find something that is fun that you want to do where you're going to stick with it. It's going to get some blood flow, burn some calories. The last thing I'm going to wrap up with is, I want you to study. I talk about it all the time. I want you to read, figure out things about fitness that are definitely going to help you specifically. Start slow. Okay? You don't have to immediately jump into something full throttle. Test things, experiment, even if you just go there and watch. These are things I think that are gonna help you learn about yourself, learn about things that you may wanna do or experiment with, because I just think too many people are getting too much information and it's confusing, and instead of helping them, it's almost scaring them. So I just thought I would do a quick video on that. If you have any comments or questions, please hit me up. But man, I'm telling you, if you're not enjoying yourself, what the hell's gonna happen? I used to go around and say a gym for the most part, that's like my playground. I don't know why, I like going there. It's fun for me, but I have family members, friends, colleagues, they hate going to the gym. I get it. It'd be like somebody like me saying, hey, Rich, I wanna go run a marathon. Personally, I don't like running that much anymore. So I would never probably go do that. I may in the future, but I can tell you right now, I'm not gonna do it. So that's kind of the extreme, but I'm just telling you, those are things that, I had to address and say, this is what I love to do, and this is what I hate, and I'm not going to do it. So I think that hopefully will help you with, maybe starting your fitness journey. If you want to check out my podcast, The Rich Celenza Show. I've been doing a lot of different things on there regarding fitness, but many other things as well, regarding, interviewing all different types of people, from filmmakers, actors, authors, designers, and everything in between. I'm also on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and if you get a chance, subscribe. I'm trying to reach up to a certain number, and I'm getting very close. So if you've been watching or you did subscribe, thank you very much. All right, take care, and I wish you nothing but the best.